Bell peppers are easy to grow. To germinate the pepper seeds, we choose a suitable pot with enough soil and place the pepper seeds evenly on the surface. Finally, we spread an even layer of soil and spray water to keep the pot in a place with enough sunlight. It took only 6 days for the chili seeds to germinate, and now we can start making pots to plant them in. My planters are paint cans. After punching drainage holes to prevent the plants from getting waterlogged, I use hooks to hang them from the floor. And this time, I will use small plastic bottles and absorbent towels to create an automatic watering system for the plants. I cut the top off of my self-watering can and threaded a towel through it so the towel could direct the water to the plant. To give the seedlings enough strength to grow, I use organic fertilizer mixed with the soil to plant. This helps the soil have the best nutrients. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, worm castings also have high antibacterial properties and good metabolism and are not harmful to humans. After planting, we just need to put water in the vase. The absorbent towel will automatically absorb water for the plant. The 10-day-old chili plant is healthy. Now we should take care of it, helping it have enough strength to grow. My choice is still worm castings. I give each plant a generous amount of worm castings and add water to each pot. To make my videos more and more perfect, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. After 20 days, the chili plants on my balcony are tall and ready to flower. I will help them to be healthy and produce lots of flowers and fruits. When the tree is higher, more and more roots, so I will add soil for each tree, helping the tree have a space to develop against the weather and better metabolism. During the flowering stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients, so you can add fertilizer and water regularly. After 35 days, the chili plant has produced many flowers and fruits. At this stage, the plant is very susceptible to harmful insects, so we need to pay attention to help destroy and prevent them. I would give each plant the appropriate amount of pellets and remember to provide enough moisture for the plant. To prevent pests and repel insects, I mix onions with water and spray evenly on each plant to help the plant stay healthy. Onions can help kill bacteria, fungi, disease-causing insects, and prevent pests from attacking, helping plants grow better. Amazing! After 2 months, I have successfully grown bell peppers in a paint bucket hanging on the balcony. Now I can harvest them. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.